Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Clipchamp in just 2 minutes. Clipchamp is an easy online video editor that lets you create and edit videos quickly even if you're a beginner. So let's get started. First, open Clipchamp in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft, Google, or email account. Once you're on the home page, click Create a new video. Now you'll enter the editing workspace. To add media files, click the Import Media button on the left side and upload your videos, images, or audio files. Next, drag your files down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To add text, click the Text tab on the left side and choose a text style, then drag it onto the timeline. If you want transitions between clips, click the small transition icon between 2 clips and select an effect like fade. You can also add background music by opening the Content library and selecting music or sound effects. To resize your video for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, use the aspect ratio button at the top. Once your editing is finished, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your video quality such as 1080p and Clipchamp will begin exporting your video. After the export is complete, your video will automatically download to your computer. And that's it. That's how to use Clipchamp in just 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.